Wayne, live in the Philippines, as I said. We're doing an unboxing video. We got our order from Shopee. Yeah, I told you that Belma's iPad, so we ordered the parts. And here's the parts. We're going to open this one. This is supposed to be the battery. So we're going to do a shopping. Got a knife here. We're going to put this right part here. We're going to reach in here. We're going to make sure all these parts are right. Yep. Put the bag over here, you know. Hey, we got the original battery, what it says on the screen is the battery. Got it taped up. It says iPad 2 battery. So I can get it over here. There's the battery. Let's open it up and see what we're looking at here. See if it's the right one, because I remember what the other one looks like. Let's open it up and pull it out of here. Got a little paper on here. We're going to open this up, make sure this is right. Make sure this is good. Yep. There's the battery. iPad 2 battery. That's what it says on the sticker. Try to show this up here if I can. Yeah. Sticker for the battery. This is the battery, goes in the iPad. Yep. We're gonna seal it. We're gonna put this back in the bag. We're gonna do a video on the how-to bit when we put it in. And right now we're gonna put it back in this bag. We'll set it back in the plastic. Put it right back down in here. Put it back in the bag. We're just checking out everything, make sure everything's all good. Make sure everything's good. iPad 2 battery. Yep, we got that. Okay. Let's put the paper back in here. What I'm gonna do is put it back in the bag. We'll put it back in the bag so I know where it is. Yep. So we're gonna put it together, everything will be good. Okay, we'll sit this out of the way over here. Okay, we got another product here. See what we got here. We got the tape and the kit, the knife and everything. We got the tape to go around the screen, hold the screen in. And we did order this from Shopee online. I told you Memorial Day I had to order the parts. So let's open this one. It's supposed to be the screen, LCD screen. I'm gonna put this up a little higher so you can. There we go. There you see my work table. You see the table here. Let me turn around this way. Yeah, there you go. Alright, there's the screen. Now we're going to open this up. So just run this across here. I'm going to cut this plastic. Open the plastic here. Let's pull this out of here and see what this is. Alright. Got this. Let's cut the tape on the side. We put the tape. Alright, let's see what we got in here. We got some tools here. We got a little tool set. Let's see what we got in here on the screen. Let's see if this is right. Put this over to the side. Sorry about the noise, I got a fan going behind me. But it's hot and I ain't burning up for nobody. But it is hot. I'm gonna open the screen, but figure out how to get this stuff off. But they got it wrapped up pretty good. Come from China. Yep, here's the screen. Yep, brand new LCD screen. We'll open this up, pull this out of here. Yep, there's the screen. You see how pretty it is? There's pieces on the back. This is where it plugs up in the back. I gotta put a new home button in here. Every time I gotta put her home button, it goes in here. So this is the iPad, where the camera goes and everything. I gotta take all this apart. I'll put this back in the bag. I don't wanna mess up these wires. I don't need these wires, connectors. Put all this back. I'll let this back up in here. Keep it protected. Yep. I'll put this back in the box. Put it back in the box here with the tools, screen. Put this back here. Put this glue in there. I'm gonna put this back in this plastic bag. Gotta keep everything organized so when I get ready to put it together, it'll be ready. I'll put this over here. I ordered another screen. This is supposed to be a protective screen. I ordered it from mine because mine got broke. Yep. I gotta replace my screen too, so I'll show it to you in a minute. There's another screen. Open all this stuff. Open this up. There's an iPad screen, you can see. There's a screen that goes to mine because I have an iPad too. I gotta replace the screen in it. You know, iPad screen, got the wires and everything in it. I'm gonna put this back in this package. And I'm gonna put this back in this box so I know where it is, so I know what's what. Because I want to be organized. And I put all this stuff together. Yep, so there's all the packages. We're gonna fix this iPad. You can see right here where the screen is busted. I don't know where you can see this or not. Yeah, the screen is cracked right here. You can see the screen's cracked. And we're gonna take this off. Hopefully you can see this, I hope. I'm trying to get it adjusted here. Sorry about that. See if I can get it up a little higher. Yeah. Trying to get this adjusted, you know, so you can see. It wants to drop. The camera's kind of heavy. Hopefully you can see. Try to keep it distance, you know, so you can see what I'm doing. You got to go around the corners and everything, but you want to be able to see, you know, how it's, you know, projecting in the screen. So I'm trying to get it adjusted. You know, maybe I can black it off. Yeah. So we gotta take the screen off. I'll turn it sideways so you can see. Yeah. I don't want this light to be glaring, you know. Try to get it off like that, you know, so you can see what I'm doing. Gotta run this around here, you know. Take this off of the screen. As you can see where it's broke, cracked, you know. Got the camera up above me. Hope you can see this. Alright! You can see we're going to do this video, try to get this camera up. Get it adjusted so it don't move. There you go. And now you can see me. Got the iPad. I'm trying to do this in a wide screen, but I hope it works out good. I hope you can see this. Try to get the camera adjusted. Yeah, I think that'll work. Yep. There we got it adjusted. Now you can see my hands and everything. We're gonna take this iPad apart because it don't work. Yeah, the screen's busted and everything, so we're gonna do the screen, and we gotta do that screen there. We gotta take this iPad apart. So first thing we're gonna do is get our tools. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna take this apart. Gotta dig down in here like we did before. We don't have to heat this up because we heated it up before and we just stuck some tape on it. So it's all ready to go. We don't want to mess up nothing because this is Velma's iPad. We got a little tape. I got a little tape here. Use this tape out of here. Yep. It's kind of hard to see the screws. I gotta take the screws out of here. I hit the bottom, the little bitty screws. I gotta get my tool kit. I gotta get my screwdriver. Let's see if one of these will fit. I think it will. Yep. I don't want to lose these little screws. So I need to hang on a little bit. Let's see if I can get this metal tray. I have a metal tray to put screws in. That way I won't lose them. We're gonna do this here. Sorry, I got a fan running. Kind of hot in here. I'm trying to be quiet so the fan won't go in here. And I'm taking these screws out here. You can't see them because they're so small. Try to get one of them with the camera. It's a little bitty screw, little bitty thing. If you lose it, it'd be a mess. I got one more. I think I got 4 of these things I got to take out. Make sure you got 4 screws. We're going to take this little panel off. We're going to stick this over here. We got a prize up on this. I got a little skingy tube. Quite a little pressure, you know. And then you're gonna take this off. And then there's the 2 wires and the pad comes right off. See? And I'm gonna lay it right up there. Okay, you can see this. Now I gotta take the battery out. The battery will go in here. I have battery over there, and I gotta put the battery in here. And everything, so I gotta take the battery out. I think I gotta take some more screws out up here. See if I can turn this around. Hope the battery don't die on this thing. It's kind of bad, you know. Sorry about this shaking. Let me move this down a little bit. I want you to see. I'm gonna see if I can find me a little screwdriver so I can fit these screws because they're magnetic and I don't wanna lose the screws, you know. But I want the screws to be good. I know that one screwdriver fitted, but you know, I think this is something, I don't know what that is. Yeah, I think it's yeah, the funny screws. I need a square head. Let's see if I got one here. I think it's up here. Yeah, I'm trying to find a screwdriver, which one to go to work. Let's see if I can try this one. This one might work. I believe that one's too big. I know they give you a screwdriver, but I don't like it because I want a magnetic. I don't think that one's going to fit too good. See if I can find a smaller one. I think that one was too small. I thought this was the size, but I don't think it is. No, that's not the size either. See if we can go to this one on the end. I don't think that's it either. I'm looking for the screw. Gotta be one of these. I don't know which one it is though. I think it might be this one. I don't think it's neither one of those. Sorry it's taking so long, but I'm trying to find one of these tools that'll fit this thing. I think it's one of these. It just about fit it. Maybe this in a fit, I hope. Yeah, that was the one. That one a fit. I'll put that over there. I think we got another one here. Here. Get one there. Yeah, we're gonna pause this a minute and Alright, we're doing this video today. We're doing it on this iPad. Hope we can get this camera up so you know you can see this. And we're gonna work on this iPad. We got the battery, got a new battery and everything. We gotta take this one out. We're gonna do this. First we gotta heat this up and we gotta take this battery out. So we do that. We got this hair blower. Sorry about the noise, but this is what we have to do. So we're gonna heat up this glue. We got this hot enough, hopefully. It is kind of hot. I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna run this under here so we can get the battery out of here. We're gonna take it kind of slow. We'll run this up under here. Applying pressure, we're trying to break this battery loose. The thing is stuck. But we can get this side. Now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna get up under here and break this loose. Applying a little pressure here, trying to push this down. Trying to get this battery out of here. Thing ain't made out of nothing. Surprised and all the time we're trying to take this up. So we can get this out of here. Wow, kind of slipped there. Like I say, you got to be careful with it. Don't want to break nothing. And be as gentle as possible. Hope we can get this out of here now. I hope we can anyway. Run this back up under here, you know, and breaking this glue loose. This thing is stuck. I hope we can just pull this out of here, I hope. Should just come out of this hole. Get it loose here. Got this one loose. Now we gotta get this one. I'll get the magnifying glass down the inside about this. I don't understand how come this don't want to come off. I know we done took the battery out of it, so you know. We took the battery out, but I don't see how come it ain't coming loose. It's aggravating, you know. Needs to break loose here, I don't know why. Because it's the only thing holding it. You just don't want to come loose. It's stuck in here for some reason. There we go. Yeah, we got it out of there. Yeah, I had some kind of brace or something on. I don't know what's wrong with it. Crazy as the devil. Alright, we got that out of there. Yeah, we had to prise that up because that battery's got to go on top of there. That's what it is. Yeah, alright. We're going to take a call. We're going to take a little bit break here.